Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can change the color of items on CapCut PC. So I have just this video of a girl using something green. It has to be like something either green or a little bit blue, so like this could work. We are going to copy and paste that first, and on this one you're going to go to adjustments and we're going to turn the saturation all the way down, and we're going to copy and paste that one more time. Just place it to the right and place this one on top. Now we are going to find a color. I'm just going to search for a purple here, like a purple background. Oops, sorry. Let's just like use this one. I'm also just going to adjust the colors a little bit on this. Oh, okay. Select this, go to video, go to the blend mode, and select overlay. I think I need like a darker color, so let me just use like this one. Okay. We're then going to select, hold on, is this okay? Let me just move this to the side a little bit first. Okay, there we go. Then on this video, go to the video, go to remove background, select chroma key, and select the green area of her shirt. And here you're just going to adjust the intensity until it covers her whole entire shirt. I actually don't know why I needed that clip, because I don't need it. It does change color because it's a video. It's better if it's like just not a video here. And then I'm just going to select this color, and I'll just go to the adjustments tab, go to HSL and go to purple and adjust the tint a little bit to make it even more purple. I might just freeze frame this as well so it doesn't change colors. But that is it. As you can see, now her shirt is purple. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.